knows we're not happy with each other, and apparently he takes my side because at 3 or 4 in the morning he will wake up and pee on my wife.